Turn your boring, bloated Windows 11 setup into this: clean, distraction-free, and minimal. No high CPU usage, no lag, just smooth, modern performance with a desktop you'll actually enjoy using. Hey, I'm Neil. Welcome to Apidus. After 3 years of helping you customize Windows, it's time to rebuild, smarter and cleaner. Open the Notion document, linked in the description. We'll follow a simple 4-step process to get this setup running in minutes. The first step in transforming your setup is downloading the wallpaper. You'll find a Notion link in the description. Open it, and the very first item will lead you to an Unsplash page with the exact wallpaper I'm using. It gives you multiple size options: small, medium, large, and original. I recommend skipping the smaller versions. They're just too low res and will look blurry, especially on modern displays. After it downloads, right-click on the file and hit Set as Desktop Background. That's it. Even just this one step already removes 90% of the visual noise from your desktop. Now that the foundation is in place, we move to step 2, cleaning up your taskbar and making it actually enjoyable to use. Open the Notion doc again. We're following each step in order. Now for step 2, we'll install Start All Back. It's the key to making your taskbar clean and minimalist. Technically, it's free to try for 100 days. After that, you can purchase a license to remove the watermark on the Start menu, but you don't have to right away. In the Notion doc, you'll find a Microsoft Store link for Start All Back. From there, you can either download it directly through the store or grab the XC installer file. Both methods work perfectly fine. Once installed, open Start All Back and set the theme to Windows 11 for consistency and style. After that, close the app. Don't configure anything else just yet. We'll make some more important changes before diving into the full setup. Next, let's apply a custom Start Orb to personalize your taskbar and complete the clean minimalist look we're aiming for. You'll find the download link for the Start Orb PNG file in the Notion document, linked in the video description below. Make sure to grab that file first. Once you have the Start Orb file downloaded, open your File Explorer and carefully navigate to the following folder on your PC: C/Program Files, and Start All Back or Orbs. If you don't see a folder named Orbs inside the Start All Back directory, don't worry. Just create a new folder and name it Orbs exactly like that, with a capital O. After that, paste the downloaded PNG Start Orb file right into this folder. This is the crucial step where we replace the default Windows 11 Start button with our custom orb. The custom orb we're using is a clean, dark Windows icon that fits perfectly with the minimalist vibe of your new taskbar setup. Now let's configure Start All Back to polish your taskbar's look and feel. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Properties to open Start All Back's Settings panel. Under the Taskbar tab, set the Start Orb to Windows 8 Orb. This gives a clean, classic Start button style. Next, change the taskbar style to Classic for a simple, familiar look and feel. Enable centered task icons by checking the box. This centers your open apps for a balanced, neat layout. Set plumpness to Aura. This adds a smooth, soft edge to the taskbar icons, making them more visually appealing and pleasant. Finally, for segments, select Central Segment Only. This keeps the taskbar uncluttered by limiting the segmented look to just the center. These tweaks make your taskbar minimalist, elegant, and easy to use every day. The last and most exciting part of this setup is the flip clock. Since we've hidden the system clock on the taskbar corner to keep things clean, you'll still want an easy way to check the time. That's where this minimalist clock comes in. It's called the Apidus Flip Clock, and you can find the download link in the Notion document in the description. You might find other flip clocks on the Microsoft Store, but I don't recommend them. They tend to use a lot of CPU and slow down your system. This flip clock, however, was coded by me with efficiency in mind. It uses very little CPU and RAM, so it won't affect your PC's performance, making it perfect for those who want a lightweight but stylish clock on their desktop. I also develop other software tools focused on speeding up your PC and boosting productivity, which you can explore on my website, linked below. These tools are designed to simplify your workflow and save you time every day. The flip clock automatically shows your local time, but you can easily change the time zone or location to match wherever you are in the world. This makes it flexible and useful no matter where you live, whether you're working remotely or just want to track time in multiple zones. Finally, if you want the clock to start automatically every time you turn on your PC, here's how you do it. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, then type Shell Startup and hit Enter. This opens the Startup folder. Simply copy the flip clock executable file into that folder, and it will launch automatically every time your PC boots up. No more manual starting or searching for the clock. It's always there when you need it, quietly helping you stay on schedule without interruption. Thanks for watching this setup video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me keep making useful tech content like this. I'll see you in the next video.